now descending 3,200 feet or 975 meters below the rim for a landing at Quartermaster Butte, a flat mesa overlooking the Colorado River. This is the only place in the entire Grand Canyon where you can descend and land at the bottom. Our landing is the Hualapai Indian Reservation, and the Hualapais ask that we respect their land by keeping it clean and in its natural state. Everything brought in must be taken out. If you're a smoker, please use the receptacles provided for cigarette butts. You're welcome to use picnic tables set up for drinks and snacks, and there's also a short trail from the tables to an overlook above the Colorado River where you can enjoy the view. We will be remaining on the ground for approximately 30 minutes. When we have landed, it will take a minute or two for the engine and rotors to stop. Please stay aboard until the rotor blades have stopped turning and the door is opened for you.
All right, everyone, welcome to the bottom.